Hi, let me tell you about our Excel Core Level 2 course and some of the great tools that you'll learn. This course is for those of you who already know the basics of Excel and are looking to build your skills and get more productive. So, you'll need to be confident in setting up spreadsheets and creating and copying formulas before booking onto this course. The whole day will be hands-on and interactive to maximize your confidence, and we guarantee you'll learn things that will save you time or make your work more accurate. We'll go beyond basic formulas. We'll look at fixing a cell reference so that it doesn't change when you copy the formula. And you're going to learn how to use range names and calculations to make them easier to read and to work with. You'll also get confident in creating functions, from simple ones such as average, maximum, and minimum, to really clever functions like if. With an if statement, you can get Excel to enter different values depending on a rule that you set. We'll also look at some data analysis functions, such as COUNTIF and SUMIF. We'll use conditional formatting, so any data that meets the criteria you specify will stand out in your dataset. And we'll apply data validation to try to ensure data is entered consistently in our workbook. You'll look at different ways of creating formulas across worksheets and understand the different advantages of each method. And that's not all. You'll also learn to create tables in Excel and look at some of the advantages of using them. And pivot tables, an absolute must if you work with databases or large data sets. You won't believe how quickly you can summarize a large data set using a pivot table. You'll be able to keep all of the exercise files so you can continue your practice back at work. And you'll also get a full user manual to use on the day and beyond. But that's not all. We really want to help you get more productive, so we'll also give you access to our free IT helpline for 2 years after your course. If you want to find out more, or have a chat with one of our friendly team, please just give us a call or drop us an email.